what's haps guys, NateVlog here. Good morning, yo. So today we're gonna try the cup noodles stir fry teriyaki chicken flavor. Yeah, it's noodle time. So I picked this up at Ralph's. I guess it's new. This is the new flavor that they have. So yeah, since I'm the noodle master, I gotta review it. So anyways, how do we make this? Oh, microwave. Okay, so you don't do the boiling hot water? Really? You don't do that? You sure about that? Let's follow directions. Alright, let's not mess this up. Anyways, let's get to the kitchen, everybody. Come on! Alright, so there it is. This is what it looks like. Breakfast. I'm hungry. So let's go ahead and enjoy a sodium bomb. Directions are on the back. So lift the lid. Add room temperature water. Can we open this? Yo, what the hell? Come on! Son of a bitch. Damn. Oh, look at all that sodium. Oh, jeez. I don't even see the noodles. Jeez, this was stuck on here. Wow. So, yeah, you got lots of veggies here. Is that even real veggies? Alright. So, yeah, we just filled up to the line, right? I don't know if you can see that line, but, yeah, there you go. It's like right there. That's where we filled up to. Okay, water. Oh, uh-oh. Is it gonna sink? Oh, okay, yeah, it's sinking. I was like, oh my god, did I already overfill it? Keep going. Keep going. There we go. That's perfect, right on the line. Okay, burn the microwave. There you go. 4 minutes. Now we wait. There we go, very easy. All right. Oh, steaming hot in there. Oh gosh, how am I gonna grab this? The whole packaging just got like deformed. Like, look at these bubbles. Like, what the hell just happened? Follow directions. Said 4 minutes. Yeah, that's what it looks like. There you go. Stir fry. Now, last step before we eat. Take this off. Got our chopsticks. Now we mix, 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 mix. Stir it. Oh, steaming! Ah, it's steaming. All the water is evaporated. Yeah. So would this be considered like a yakisoba now? It's not ramen. Stir, stir, stir. Alright, should be good. Let's go ahead and try it out. Let's go. Take that off. Whoa, hot, hot, hot. Damn. Whoa. Alright, so just stir, stir, stir a little bit more. So hot. Gonna burn my mouth. Alright, teriyaki. I'm excited about this. Teriyaki, one of my favorites. Oh god, okay. Cheers. Oh, oh, hot. That's good though. You really taste that. Teriyaki, yeah. Burning my mouth. But okay. Where'd the veggies go? Cup up noodles. Yeah. Actually, that's pretty good flavor, I gotta say. Yeah, it's tasty. So, so far I rate this probably a 7 out of 10. Damn. Just trying to get some of this, alright. Yeah, you really taste the sauce. You know, when I opened it, there's no sauce, it was just all powder. Sodium. Which is, of course, 1,180. Crazy. crazy amounts. But yeah, that's how these are. Yeah, this is, I gotta say, this is pretty good. Cup of noodles. Wow. I recommend this for sure. But hey, it's sriracha time. Let's see if that 7 can turn into 8. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, spicy. Here we go. More flavors. Okay. That's good. That's good. All right. Oh gosh. It's hot. Now it's spicy to put together. Ooh, my mouth is burnt. Jeez. Oh, it's good though. I guess it really didn't need the sriracha. It already has a lot of flavor to it. I hate chicken pieces. No. It's just the flavor, right? Yeah, and the veggies, where'd those go? Those get evaporated as well. Oh gosh, sticky noodles, sticky. I guess it bumped it up to a 7.5 out of 10, but doesn't really need it. But anyways, this is pretty good. Highly recommend it if you want a nice snack. Snack, right? These are for snacks, or is this an actual meal? I never know. I just eat these for the reviews, you know. But since this is pretty good, I think I'll get more of these. Yeah. Cup of noodles. Calories 380. Is that good? Apparently it has vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Wow, is this healthy? Really? Cup noodles is like, yo, we gotta start being healthy, alright? Oh, look, there's a little carrot right there. Is that a piece of chicken? Has crunch? I don't know. I don't know what that was. Maybe. Oh, here we go. Here's some veggies. Cabbage. Oh yeah. Spicy. All right, I'm just trying to finish this off now. Good breakfast. Hey, but honestly though, I would say you need like 2 of these, 3 of these, fill up. But with that sodium, no, you definitely don't want to eat more of that. Don't want my cholesterol to go up even more. Very dangerous. Oh God. Alright, just finishing up the last bit here. Do it the Japanese style. Arigatou gozaimasu. Wow, terminado. Esto es muy delicioso. Gracias. Alright, so yeah, final review, 7.5 out of 10. Pretty tasty. Apparently they have other flavors of the stir fry. I'm gonna have to check it out. But yeah, you can add sriracha if you want, but honestly, it really doesn't need it. There's just so much flavor already in here of that nice teriyaki sauce, powder, whatever the hell they use. But alright, there you go. So go get it. If you like cup noodles, this is tasty. So their new product. Alright, we will see you in the next video. Noodle Master has done it again. Legendary content. Thank you so much. Salamat po. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. So don't forget to hey, hit up my PayPal. hit up my Venmo. Description down below. That's where you find it if you want to support NateVlog. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very, very appreciate it. As always, I'm telling you, all the support you guys give me, oh my gosh, I'm just like, wow. Thank you. Thumbs up. Thank you. Been doing this for 7 years now, and hey, we're still going. All right, we're still going. That's right. All right. Anyways, enough is enough. We will see you in the next video, and yeah, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Cup noodles, right? Japan. Teriyaki. All right. Noodle master. Adios.